Yeah, I think we're live now. Yeah, I think we're live now. Okay. Um. Welcome back to this Tuesday live stream. So first of all, yeah, I think we're live now. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on what happened yesterday. When people that joined the live stream saw exactly what happened yesterday about how the London session opened up pretty bearish. You understand? So we had this pretty break of structure like with a weak candle. Though weak candle shows some kind of indecision in the market, when the price pushes up and comes back, shows some indecision in price. So, well, we ignored that and took the trade here, and we got a little bit of luck here. We are lucky on this part if the price didn't take us out and price pushed up, costing our one hour. It's advised that you enter a break even or you leave the trade to hit or take profit. And with the divergence and I showed yesterday, so that when price is pushing downward and this one is going upward, know that there is still possibility that price is going to push upward. So here, using this candle match with this candle match with this candle. So this is a bearish trend. Why this is a bullish, indicating that price is still going to go up. It has happened more often than not in the past, where I used to use it as a confluence to enter a trade. Coming. So, like I said, it has happened more often than not when I used to use it as a confluence to enter a trade when the evidence is pushing down and structure is pushing downward, but the evidence is pushing upward. It's also have as a confluence. So when this was happening, I know that two things are going to happen. Either price takes me out and keep pushing up, or the divergence is going to change the trend direction. But it didn't change. The more it keeps going, making new lows, the more it keeps making new highs here. So this is what happened. Keep making new highs. You know, keep making new lows. So on if I'm trading live, like I said in my video, that I've not started trading live. If I'm trading live, I would have entered this trade here again with this little confluence here, this recursion and this and that. I would have entered this trade again because I know that more the awareness is still pushing upward and it has chance of going up. So during yesterday London session, this happened and boom, price went up. It used this as a confluence, as a structure that is going to mitigate and then start pushing upward. And as it's pushing upward, it keeps breaking structure and retesting them, breaking and retesting them until it will this rock high here. So this one was so I entered this morning. I'm still checking to know what um London is going to do once London opens, whether they're going to send the price upward or they're going to clear the lows like before and keep going downward. But I'm pretty bullish on this one. Like apart from the divergence, the structure looks pretty bullish. So if price comes down, and I think we have a major impact news today. But that's by the way. Let's finish with this. So this is a bullish trend. It's very obvious that it's a bullish trend. So all happen here is if price decide to take our stop loss and then keep it, because one thing about having a stop loss below the Asian range or Asian low here is price always love taking the stop loss. Once it take the stop loss, it keep pushing up. Like I think I have a trade like that this month. I've not been trading much this month. Okay, yeah, this is high, it's Asian high. But I was working on this trade. The price didn't take me out, just hit my take profit. It cleared the Asian high and then started dropping before I got this second trade. I've not started doing live streaming, but most people know that I took this trade, and I think I have the picture. So this particular one was this break, market structure break. It broke this place, and you can also call this flip zone. Some people call it flip zone, some people call it any type of name. But what I saw and I took the trade was this structure. It broke this structure low, also broke this low. These two lows that was created during London session. They really mark the lows. I think I'll remove this. Uh, yeah, this lows. It took this lows and then starts pushing up. So mm, most times I like taking trade once the London session has opened. And if I start trading live this month, because I want to be sharing my match screen also, you notice that most of my trades during the um most of my trade during the Asian session, sorry, during my day will be coming from the London session, because I like London to open. Let me see what they want to do, and then I can know what I'm going to do with that information that they drop for me. So, but this one that I took now was pretty early. Like I said, we are just speculating and looking at the market. So let's see how that one turns out. So, but this one, the Asian session was kind of pushing high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. And then I know that this low is going to be a point of interest since obviously London has opened. London opened around 8 a.m. Since London has opened and they don't have any new structure that they're going to work with. I know that they're going to work with this Asian structural low if they're going to push up price. But I entered like few pips gap. I entered with four pips gap, which means if I had pushed it down like this, I would still have a room to breathe and price would just destroy my TP. But I entered using the previous structure high as break of structure, high high, higher low, then the previous high. I took the previous of using the other block. So but that's by the way. And this low here was the level that they used and triggered the entry and then pushed up. So, but when price triggered this entry is broke this low, this is a clear break of structure. This is a clear break of structure. It's very obvious that it's a break of structure. So when this happened, I know that for me to get a winning trade now is just luck, because if I won't call it the analysis playing right, because this doesn't keep people in a trade. Some brokers, some firms are going to close you out because this is not up to 2 pips, I think. Whereas some brokers only have 1 pip spread. This is 1.2 pips spread. Some broker will keep you in, some wouldn't. So this cleared me out. This would have cleared me out. So I'm just like, okay, let's see the fruit of the trade. And this happened. Boom. So when this happened, I was like, okay, let me see if it's going to send price higher, because I don't have any external liquidity to work with. External liquidity are highs like this are what I call external liquidity. So once I see them, I have some kind of confidence that price is going to, take them. I can't hope on this external liquidity because it's very, very, very far. Which external liquidity on 15 minutes, it's very, very far. I can't be hoping on this external liquidity because price has cleared this liquidity. This whole side has been swept. Price has cleared this whole side. So when price clears this whole side, this is the last point of interest that I have. When price cleared this high, I know that like I don't have any other thing to be doing in this market. I just have to go. But apart from my TP being TP being average 1:2, this trade I would have left this trade. You understand? So I won't be targeting much on this trade. So when price cleared this liquidity, take this Asian high, sorry, previous high. Let me indicate it as external liquidity. I think I marked it that day when I was taking this trade. So when price took this external liquidity high, I know that it's over for me. Like I don't know what I should be waiting for again. So and then before this happened. So before I explain this sell, let me explain this uh first trade of the year. I think this is the first trade of the year. Yeah, on 6th. I wasn't trading throughout this period. The market looks like ass. Well, this was the first trade of the year. This was the first trade of the year. I had this, like, I didn't think about this twice. Like, it just came out. Like, this is the type of trade that I like taking because it it has it gives me confidence in my methodology or strategy or whatever you can call it. This type of trade are what I backtest, what I backtested back in the days when I was actually building this edge. These are the types of trade that I want to be seeing. So when it came out, I had no doubt. Because I even used a small SL. My SL used to be 20 pips, but here I use 10. Because I know that this price cannot go below here. It can't go below here. It's going to keep pushing up and up and up and up. So what happened was before London, I think this is a pre-London open. We had 7:45, 15 minutes for London to open. I took the trade and I was like, I'm going to get 1:2 on this one. Price already structure. And I said the first bearish candle I'm seeing into this previous order block, I'm taking the trade. That is what I said. The first bearish structure I'm seeing, I'm taking the trade. So this happened, bearish structure, and I took the trade. And I I actually regret why closing this trade off at 1:2 because like a few minutes, I think, okay, a few hours after TP, this happened. Momentum kicked them from nowhere. Like I was checking, I was checking my phone, I was seeing GEG on plus something. Like I was like, cheese. So if I was still on this trade, these are the trades I used to use to make banger trades that if you're on live stream, your live stream will suddenly blow up. But that's by the way, this is you're just starting the year. It's not the first or last trade that we're going to take in. So this is also a nice entry here, but you'll be cooked. Why I say you'll be cooked because if you take this trade here now, you're having a minimum of 14 pip stop loss. Okay, let's do extend it to 20 pip stop loss as our average stop loss. You'll be smoked. Probably going to take your SL and keep going where it's going. You understand? So that is just it. That's why I don't take trades inside the mid session. Like it's either London Open or New York Open or London Open or mid New York. I like mid New York around 3 2 p.m. I like mid New York. If I didn't get it in because New York has less manipulation. Trust me, New York has like it's rare for New York to come and wake your SL and start moving to your direction. It's very, very rare. So this happened and yeah, before this. This is also a nice trade. This here is also a nice trade, but can't be having 21 pip stop loss, even 24 plus the buffer you're going to put, making it up to total of, let me say, 15 pip stop loss. Yeah, London has opened. We have a spike up. Let's check out trade. Yeah, it's pushing up with London open. Well, I'll come back to this. Let's continue to what we are doing till we get here. So I'm trying to make you guys familiar with how I trade so that when this live stream kicks off, maybe next month, we start trading live, I won't be doing much explanation on how I trade. I'll just be, showing some entry and the exit. And that is basically what I will do. Come on. Nah, November. I'm looking for my trade where I stopped explaining. Okay, yeah. Like as I was saying, you can't be having a 14 pip, 24 pip, 25, 22 pip stop loss at a range. When I mean at a range, I mean like the range of stop loss I'm going to have is 22 pips. Then when you add a buffer of 5 pips, because we used to have 5 pips buffer, I have a buffer of 5 pips, then I'll looking at 27 pips stop loss. And when you have a 27 pips stop loss, you know what that means? You can't even get 1 to 1 before the session closes. And what time is it? This is 3. From 3 to the next 6 hours, you can't be getting a 20, 25 pips stop, 25 pips TP. Or even if you get, that's 1 to 1. Let's see how much we got before session closes. Okay, the rock high is 7. Did you get your 1:2? 27 plus? Yeah, I think you made it. Yeah, you made it. That's nice. Well, that's by the way. So this happened during the first day of trading, and during this, I think I've explained this trade. Yeah, I've explained this. So coming to this huge sell, what happened is I'm going to give myself credit for this because when I saw this trade, I always post on my status that you should sell trade. Or I will try to indicate what I am. Let me know if I can see the picture of this trade. So I don't think I can see the picture of the trade. I don't think I can see the picture of the trade. So I don't think I can see the picture of the trade. So I saw the Okay, it's like I'm not sharing my face. Oh boy, I'm not sharing my face. Let's do that now. Boom. So I can't see the, like I said, like I was looking for the picture of the trade with the before and after, but this was Jolt. This happened during the Jolt news. I saw this. I said that this to this structure low and to this structure low, so it must sell. Like I was completely confident that it must sell. That anything that made this thing not to sell is going to be a it's going to be what I don't know, but I'm confident, pretty much confident that this is going to sell. So I placed this sale. I even wrote this huge sale before it's actually sold. I placed this sale and they were like, let's see how it goes. 1:03. Boom. And the music Joe news drop around 4 o'clock. Boom. It melted down and about TP. And since then, Price has been doing some kind of funny structures. So moving on to the next day, what happened is Price has been kind of pretty much bearish and with a huge momentum going downward with like huge speed, bam, 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 bam. So um, like I was actually insane in my mind because I was like, if you leave this trade, you would have done this, you would have done that. But trust me, that's not how a trader is supposed to be thinking. You're supposed to think smart and think wise and not filled with regrets. So when this one, so when this happened, when I wasn't like, once I saw this momentum, I was like, nah, I'm not going to be trading this market because I had 2 wins in a row, 3 wins, one, two, three. I said, I'm not going to be trading that week until I see what happens the next week. So my brother was like, guy, CGU. So I was like, what happened? He said, look at this entry. This is in a lower time frame, 5 minutes. Let's go 5 minutes time frame. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. 5 minutes time frame, it's a clear break and structure. Like it's very clean. BOS mitigate, BOS mitigate. Like it's very sweet. 5 minutes time frame. So when you said this, I was like, shit. I said I'm not going to trade, but this happened. Price dropping over how many pips? Over 100 pips. What's 100 pips? It's more than 100 pips in a single day. No news, nothing. Price just melts from here. Pound. 110. So what? 125 pips drop. That was what happened. So I was like, another day in the market. Let's see how the next day works turns out. I think the next day was the first time I started my streaming. No. This is Thursday. I started my streaming on the Wednesday. So I woke up, like I said before, in my first live stream. I don't like seeing this type of PA, this type of price action. I don't like seeing them because whenever I woke up, this happens during New York, sorry, Asian session. I don't like when I wake up to trade, I'm going to see a big momentum like this. No, I don't like it because I'm sleeping. I don't know what's happening when I'm sleeping. So if you don't know what's happening when you're sleeping, how are you going to participate on the trade? So I like to see a quiet Asian so that whenever I wake up, I will know what to do from there. The Asians are always quiet, understand? So that's how I build my strategy around it. So that by the way, and this happened. Sorry. And that day, I was not feeling it. Like I said, had a three winning days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I said I'm going to trade on Thursday, yeah. So one on Tuesday, yeah. One on Monday, two on Tuesday. All I win. So I'm not going to trade again till the next week. So I thank God that I have a pretty messed up price action. So I had to leave it. And the day I started my live stream on Friday, I said, let's use this trade to test our live stream, this one. And so was absolutely a disaster. I took the trade. I hate taking trade that formed during a session. I want to see a new transaction before I can take trade. So when this happened, I was like, let's Let's see. So when this happened, I was like, let's see how it turns out. But price actually destroyed my asset, and this was NFP day. I said I don't like trading NFPs. I hate NFP day. Like NFP day is like my day off. You understand? Trading an NFP day is just like committing suicide. I don't like trading NFP days. I said, oh anyway, let's see. I gave this level where price is going to sell from. I gave it with my pure heart. Price, please sell from here, here, or here. Simple. But market is going to be market. It destroyed my first level, destroyed the second level, destroyed the third level. What happened? Price dropped. I was like, seriously? Are you joking with me right now? Because how can you destroy my levels and still drop? But that's NFP, that's by the way. So you have to do what you have to do. That is actually for the end of the day, yeah. Price went insane that day. Like it was massive that day. That's what insane. And it continued on Monday. Yeah, that I had this messy trade. I thought that the bearish momentum is over. Let's keep going. But it's over. Like bearish momentum is over. Like we are done with bearish momentum. But the market wasn't ready to reverse yet. At least at this point of interest, it's not really ready to reverse. It's waiting for maybe to clear the lows. So external liquidity, clear all of them before pushing up, and then we have this. So when price clear this low, when price clear this low, wait this low, and then start pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up to the level. So look at what happened now. I set my TP at this particular level, Asian highs, and this is a very nice external liquidity. Like although we have many external liquidities that I might be targeting in the future, like this one, this external liquidity, or we're targeting in the future, this external liquidity, I will target in the future, and this one also. I will targeting all this in the future. So London open pretty much strong. Like I said, London session is what we're going to decide how we're going to take a trade. So when London open pretty much strong, it shows that price has the potential of still going upward. You understand? Price has the potential of going upward. We're using 20 pips TP, so stop loss, and it's 40 pips TP. So it's like it's a small deal for market to hit. It's not like a big deal that it can't hit it today or during this session. It can hit it, can smash it throughout this before this session ends. You understand? So that's just it. I'm going to leave this. I'm going to come back in a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. I'll be back and let's see the next pair we can analyze. Maybe we can look at the dollar index and see what we have there.
Yes. So I understand Mike, or the red opportunities kind of issues, kind of simple where I'm chatting about some issue, no more to the I'm going to be coming back.
I'm going to explain how my battery is low and I can't be charging. I'm using this mic. That's the honest part. Yeah, it keeps rejecting at this level. How this level, it keeps rejecting at, and it's a very significant level. Looking at it, it has our divergence in it and showing a strong sign of bearish momentum. So price might sell off from here. Price might sell off from here, this level. Might sell off from this level, or it might break it, and I'm targeting. I'm like I've in my mind I've changed the direction of the trend. It's no longer bearish, it's bullish. And that's what I'm looking at. So I'm going to explain how the XY affects your trade. You can see that I can't split screen. I think I only have opportunity to use one layout. I've removed the update. That's by the way, I can only use one screen. You understand? I can't split it into two. No, it's got a template. I can't split my screen into two. I would have shown you. Okay, yeah, yeah. They have to. Yeah, I have to pay. Yeah, I don't care. I'm not going to pay any. So looking at this structure. Okay, for about the structure. Looking at this particular candle, these two candles, this pushed down, and this is doing up and down, up and down. This is what this one is doing. This pushed up, is doing up and down, up and down. So this is dollar index. Dollar index is a dollar on its own. I left this back way back. Dollar index is just a dollar on its own. So if you're trading any pair correlated with dollar, you might actually need this DXY because this pair will be doing the opposite of what your trade is doing. So let's take for example, you are selling GPUSD as like it's going to be do exactly opposite of what I am trading. I'm like now I'm buying GPUSD. I'm expecting this dollar index to be selling. Why? If I'm buying GPUSD, it means I am buying pound only. I don't know if you get the point. I'm buying pound only, not buying pound and dollar. I'm buying pound only. And if I'm buying pound only, it means that I want dollar to sell. If the dollar didn't sell off, I can't make money. Understand? So that is where I go to be monitoring DXY. If you're monitoring DXY, you want DXY to sell off for you to take profit on pound dollar. So that is it. But DXY is showing pretty much medium buy. Yeah, everything the odds are stacked against us. But looking at the overall trend of DXY, it's pretty bullish. Yeah, yeah, it's bullish. But we have some points of interest that price might want to, come and test. Like this level, there's an imbalance below this level that price might want to, fill these two levels. They are the imbalance we have in price. This level, this place is imbalance. At least price has to come and if it doesn't feel the imbalance, come and tap on the imbalance and then push up because if it wants to go up with this red candle, it will have pushed up. It would have done this, just pushed up from here. But since it's coming down to this level, we need to see it before it goes up again. Come down to this level before it goes up again. And I believe that the coming up US inauguration is going to have a massive effect on pound. Let me check the day of inauguration. American inauguration day. Mm, 20th of 20th. When is 20th? 20th is next week, Monday. Okay, yeah. So they're going to have a high impact movement on the market that day when they were swearing Donald Trump in. And let's see if there's any other news on that. Trump inauguration stories out. Okay, that's not much. So, let's see the fundamentals that we have for today. I don't like checking all these fundamentals because I used to leave the market before this happened. But we have core PPI. PPI is a very high impact news. I think it affects the market. But let's see what we got here. Uh, it's showing that it's not going to move. It's going to be because the forecast is 0.2, while the previous is 0.2. So more often than not, it's going to stay one place. So have a massive impact. But you can't predict news, especially like high impact news. They might think that everything is going to be that there won't be a change until until that time you will see massive huge impact and the actual is going to be greater than the forecast and the previous. So that is why it's not good to rely on news or hold to news that this is what you're looking at as a strategy or as anything. So yeah, that is it. And then what else do we have? So tomorrow is CPI on pound and also CPI on USD. CPI on pounds, CPI on USD. The two pairs that I'm trading is going to go crazy tomorrow. I might not even stream tomorrow. Yeah, I might not stream because obviously I don't want to see the craziness that's going to happen tomorrow in the market. I'm just going to strip tomorrow and come back on Thursday. CPI on the morning around 9 a.m., 8 a.m. and copy CPI on afternoon 2:30. So pound is going to go crazy. And then I think after that, we now have unemployment change, blah blah blah. It was another important news. I want to see if they wrote inauguration day here. Okay, yeah, it's nothing. Nothing is there. By the way, let's go back to the chat. We don't have any news affecting our trade. Wait, okay, yeah, yeah. We don't have any news affecting our trade today. I thought today's 26 is here. So we have only PPI, and before PPI, we would have left the trade with a profit or a loss. Yeah. Well, I hate slow trades. I hate slow. Like I don't like my trade to be wasting my time, going slow, occasionally. It pisses me off. If you want to go to my TP, go to my TP straight. Want to go to SL, move with DS straight. Stop wasting my time. Let's go have it the 550. Yeah, 5 minutes looks promising. Hmm. It looks promising, but I can't count on it because of the sluggish movements. And then yeah, and then so like I promise I said that this stream is not going to be more than 2 hours or even 1 hour. Like I, I was asking myself the other day, I'm going to be, I want to sit down and watch a 4 hours or 3 hours stream. So I don't, doesn't make sense. At least I can just, you know, come out from. So I'm trying to know how I can actually share my screen and share Match Trader also because obviously OBS only allows one screen to be shared and I can't be tapping both sides, blah blah blah. So I'm trying to learn how to, you know, switch them. I'm trying to learn how to switch them and see how good it will come out for me. Yeah, this trade is going to take a long time, you know, it's going to take a long ass time. And I'm going to this is 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours. I'm going to end this stream and set an alert on the stop loss. See finish. So these are the two things that I'm waiting for. Pride has been actually playing with me for a very long time. Like, has been playing with my brain and every freaking thing. I've been playing with my brain. Yeah, the dollar index is turning bullish. That is not good for us. Come on, come on. What happened to this level? Not PD low. It's not, okay, let's this is a gap. This one is previously low. PDL. No. Let's just leave it like that. So what's wrong with dollar index? Can't you just come down? You know, you just come down. Let's see what we got. Hmm. Hmm. Let me see how gold is doing. I don't like trading gold. It's too aggressive for my liking. It's too aggressive. Like someone can play with you. You're always angry and who made you angry, bro? Who made you angry? Who's aggressive? Ah, it's not aggressive today. Hmm. It's calm, but before session closes now, you see some crazy ass momentum. Boom, boom. So that's by the way. Look at some weeks. Yes, okay, this is NFP. I think yeah, this is NFP. So I don't like trading gold. Like I believe that anything that gold can give me, Geo can give me also. My pattern doesn't play well on gold. Like I rarely see my pattern on gold, and my Asian session doesn't align with. Sorry, my Asian session indicator doesn't sit well in gold. It always shows that London has not opened, whereas London has opened in here. It's almost the same thing. I don't like trading gold, but this gold looks promising. That's a nice structure. That's a nice structure. And next thing is BTC. Let me check BTC. What about this? What about this crypto is that it moves with fundamentals. Like okay, facts of the day, Bitcoin is trading above 94,000 for recovery from low. So it moves with fundamental. Once someone says anything funny, it just moves. Most cracks jokes about BTC, BTC moves. Anyone that makes joke about BTC, it moves. So about someone can make joke about a country, it won't do anything in the currency pair. So that's why BTC is always hard for me to trade. So and you can't blame me for saying that because it has happened more often where I will be on a trade in BTC and it just move all of a sudden. I was like, what happened? What happened? They'll tell me that this person tweeted. Um, More, I don't want to hope on someone's tweet for me to make it, you understand? But that's by the way, people that trade BTC are actually profitable. I won't say that they're not profitable. They actually know what they're doing. Yeah, this looks like a nice sell. This is a nice sell off. Yeah, it's very, very neat. But why is the time different from my own time? It's 40. It's not 8:30 here. Time difference. This is break of structure high, break of structure low, entry, and then short this level. You might keep it here. And now I put it as 38 might plus 5, 38, 43, maybe 430. Ah, I'll trade this reversing heavy. So this is a very nice trade on BTC. I'll trade this reversing heavy because dollar is actually acting funny. Dollar is acting funny. I'll trade this reversing heavy. Yeah. That is one about this period. January stuff and that. Pairs always act funny during those periods. Yeah. Here's why it's acting funny and this acting funny. Like I said, the only issue I'm having is this level. This level is a threat to me. So this level, it's a threat to me. Like it's threatening my security. And I have to call the cops. This level, this level is threatening my security because I know that this is a high low, high high, high low, high high, and price down did break this whole low, and then find its way back. There's this high, and you start selling. That's my own theory. But I don't care about the Asian session. Like I said before, the Asian session price action means nothing to me because it's actually a build up. When I mean a build up, it's actually contributing to what is going to happen to in the it's not contributing to what is going to happen during London session. London has its own price action on its own movement on its own. So that is why I'm saying I should wait and see what London has for me. I think this is another entry. I don't like week breaks, but that is by the way. The only thing we have to do is to wait. Can't do anything at this moment. And why I stopped playing music during live stream was my yesterday stream was muted. I think it was muted because of the music I was playing. It was muted. They said the music is copyright, this and that. So I was like, let's just leave it rather than entering into trouble because of the music and my account will be banned. So let me put this on a 5 minutes and see what we got. Hmm. We have been streaming for 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Mm. Actually, I love this stream that I'm doing. I actually love this stream that I'm doing. It makes me stay on seat and you know. Hmm. We have a quick rejection on this level, but if price takes out this high, oh, I will have small hope. This high, well, this high was created during London Open. When London Open, it packed up and created that high. So since then, it has been ranging below that high, and we have a threat. I'm going to name this level threat. Threat. Name it threat. Well, it's a threat to me. It's threatening my, you know, left, right. Sorry. So a threat to me. You're the one holding my trade from going up. Well, this is my hope. This is my. Let me just write it. I don't use the word hope. Let me say safe. Hmm. My safe place. Once price takes out this level, my safe place. But here, it's a threat to me. This is a place that is driving my price down. This level, it's driving it down. Nope, this level is driving it down, and this is a potential threat for you to go below and get here, get to this low. Nope. But if my hope, sorry, my safe area is taken out, then there is possibility that we are going to take some external liquidities. There is external liquidity. and this external liquidity, but only if my safe couldn't hold. If only if the threat held stronger. The threat is the ops. The threat is the ops. The threat is the ops. I don't know why I'm having slow prices on these days. Normally before, bam, 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 TP straight with few candles. You can see them. I've shown you in the past where I had few candles that just smashed my take profits. Let's see what this one has. It looks like this level looks like what is going to be taken out. It's aggression. This one. Let's see how the next candle is going to open. Having a low battery.
I'll be back. I will be back. I hate when price keeps me waiting. Although I'm not supposed to be waiting here, but live streams, I had to wait and stay here. Get out. But normal me, damn, sounds bad. I don't have to wait and see what price is turn out. But if I'm on live stream, I have to wait and see how price will turn out. I have to let my battery to charge. We'll come back in the next 10 minutes or so. I'll come back and join this.
Before, we can't be having long streams. The essence of this live stream is to show you how I trade and to enter trade confidently. And I think that point has been made clear. Maybe you can monitor this on your own, but definitely tomorrow I'm going to explain what happened after, like I did on this one. I think the stream was trade was here before we ended the live stream, but later we came out, come back and explain what happened next. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Maybe I won't stream tomorrow to trade. I'll just stream to explain what happened on the previous day, which is today, and then end the live stream. So take care, guys.